video, we are going to see how to put a checkbox in one of the columns and based on the checkbox to find the total of the amount for our data. As you can see, if I'm removing the check, the total is also changing as it is not considering the value to be added in the sum shown here. So let me remove all of this, and now select the range where you want to put the checkbox, or go into the data, go into data validation. Here in the side panel which pops up, add a rule. Since we already selected the range, it gets pre-filled in the first field, and in the criteria, go at the last and click on tick box. Here the tick box, you can also see there is one option, use custom cell values, which is showing that ticked means true by default and unticked means false by default. But you can give your custom values here. You can say delivered and pending if you want, but for now we will go with the default, and that's it. Our checkbox is ready. You can just check for whatever is delivered without any hassle. Now what if we want the sum of only those which are checked? So we want the sum of G column for whatever is checked on J column. So for that we are going to use sum if, and the first range that we need to give is the J range with the checkbox, and check whether it is true. And next we need to add the range of which we need the total of. So now that's it. Now as soon as I start checking, it will also start adding the amounts for the checked ones. That's it for this video. Thank you everyone. See you in the next video.
Thank you.